Hello all you Ragers! Welcome to our newest Game Ragers video on the most rage-inducing game ever created, called X-Run. It's a multiplayer server that kills me and Puppy.
Yeah. And my game is taking... Oh, wait, no, it just loaded. I was about to say, it's taking forever to load.
So is mine because this is a new account on my computer and it's failing because it's being slow.
See the keys. Okay, yep, I'm on.
So now I'm going to show you my desktop background with a person riding a horse with a sword in his hand. And I'm tickling his armpit with my arrow right now. Don't ask me why.
Yeah, I was just about to say pizza. Why?
As you can see, we love Minecraft here since... Oh, and have you checked out our Do Not Laugh video? Because it is hilarious. Seriously, you will laugh at it.
I tried so hard, and I actually succeeded. I just didn't get to finish the whole video because, yeah, let's just say it didn't really like me.
Well, there is one funny part where there's a lady standing and singing on a table, and then she walks to the edge, and then she falls off onto the floor. And lands on her butt. Alright, so I just got in. So you go to multiplayer, add server, be quiet, Puppy.
No.
Okay, server name, X-Run with capital X, dash, capital R, and then lowercase un. Now, the server address is rsmv.net. And I'm just going to leave it here. Pause this video if you want to write it down. And just hit done. And go into it. And yes, you do want to use a custom resource pack, otherwise it may not work. So now, oops, I just have to I have to invert my access because I cannot play without
it.
Literally, I will not be able to play without an inverted access. Okay, Puppy, are you in a certain X-Run right now or no?
Oh, I'm in the lobby.
Okay, I'll be in the jumpy water. This water is fun. You get to jump really high in the air. So, let's just get started so we don't take forever here. Alright, Puppy. So, if you want to go to a certain X-Run, just right-click the compass, and if you want to meet someone, tell them to meet you in whatever X-Run. We're going to meet in X-Run 8. Did you hear that, Puppy?
Yes, I did, because I am in.
Alright, so then there's many different games of parkour, and we are going to demonstrate the ice cream one. It's the most rage-inducing one I know, but it's also very fun.
And it takes a minute for it to load. Hold on. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream!
This one, when you get over there, right where I'm facing, by those benches, is very rage-inducing.
I got past that part, earlier today.
Yes, I know. I didn't. I failed. But this is what these videos are for. To watch us fail and laugh.
And laugh at our rage.
And my laptop is getting really hot right now because, well, I've been using it for like a couple hours.
Oh.
Straight.
Oh, no. There's another person.
Can you please get out, Parker, whatever your name is?
Let's look at this.
Okay, we have a tip for these. Hold down the shift key and jump because you're in super speed. And what pretty much happens is parkour. And then hit this to insta-kill. And if you want the TNT like just brings you back to the lobby. It's called a rage quit. If you get super mad at the game. And sometimes I do have to do that.
Yeah, you've done it sometimes on accident before, and it's actually really funny.
Oh yeah, sometimes I thought I was doing insta-kill, but I accidentally did rage quit, so...
It was funny.
Okay, I just passed checkpoint 2. There are checkpoints in this game, which is pretty awesome.
Really nice.
Okay. And I failed.
Jump.
Oh, and if you're a swear bear, you probably won't like this, but it turns all swear words into not swear words. Pretty much like if you try to say the F word.
Oh, the nausea.
Oh, God. I don't know if you guys can see this. You probably can. But we're having severe nausea here.
They don't know about me, though, because they can't see my screen.
And I'm failing really bad right now, and I'm sorry to those of you who want to see the whole level, because you probably won't.
I did it.
And we probably will make some returns on this too in different videos, because I failed. Okay.
The rage is coming out. The wolf is coming out.
Okay, I'm better now. And this is the hardest part. I recommend hitting the shift key a lot, so then you don't fall off the edge. And I hate this part.
I know, right?
Oh, and you can PvP here, but me and Puppy made a pact never to hit each other, because it's very annoying. Finally, I made it.
Sorry, the person that was here with us just freaking... I'm gonna kill you. I'm not talking to you, Pizza. I'm talking to freaking Parker. He hit me off,
I failed.
and he thinks it's funny, and I'm gonna kill him.
Now you see how rage-inducing this game can be.
Oh, I'm mad at him. I'm mad. I'm not rage. See you later, Pizza. Jump! Oh, jump! That's the sound of failure. It's silence.
And I failed again. What? I'm back here again? I thought I'd make a checkpoint.
Jump! Jump!
And if you hear me yelling at this game, don't be surprised, because it freaking is the
annoying!
worst. Like, if you want to get relaxed, I recommend not playing this game.
Don't play this if you want to relax. Unless you really like to get mad at computers.
Yes, and or if you want to throw your computer out the window and you have Minecraft, then go ahead and play this game.
Yeah, because then that'll completely relax you. Jump.
No!
Why is this so hard?
The only way this would be relaxing is if you like punching your fist through a computer.
Wow, right when I got here, that's
Oh, funny story. One time, I actually, when I was really little, I was giving my dad some batteries he lent me, and he was on his computer in the basement, and I just, like, chucked the batteries at his computer, and it literally cracked his screen.
I don't think you've ever told me this before.
Yes, it wasn't pretty.
Dad?
That's the only time I've hurt a computer.
No!
Oh, and every time you hear her say Wimu, count how many times, and every time you hear it, just write in the comments, shut up times, and then how many times you heard it, and whoever gets it correct gets a free t-shirt.
Oh.
Whoever gets it correct gets a free t-shirt. tell you about promoting other YouTube channels, puppy.
Not promoting. I'm just saying. Oh. Hey, Pizza. Next time you die, you might want to look down. Look down.
How did you?
I was going up there.
Oh.
That's funny. No. Jump, jump. Wee-woo! Wee-woo!
And however times you hear me scream at the computer, we're also going to count that too.
You're gonna have to count both of us though if you want a free t-shirt though. So how many wee-woos I say, and that will count, and how many...
Oh, and by the way, the free t-shirt is $25. I was kidding.
Yo, I'm about to literally punch my computer.
I know, right? This is probably the worst level so far for us. And if you're lonely and have no friends, no offense, there is a single player level.
Yeah, there is.
If you are lonely and have no friends. Or if you don't want to talk to any of your friends.
With other people. No! Wee-woo!
Or if you just feel like letting out some rage and everyone else you know is busy. Why?
No.
And that's me raging at a computer. Even
Me
though I would
raging
never
is,
harm the computer.
Jump.
And now, you're going to hear me scream even louder if I fail this.
I almost missed that jump.
Why is stupid computer
Oh!
That is me raging at a computer.
Finally!
And next we're gonna do the second hardest level. At Ice X Run.
No, you suck.
Huh. Exactly. The easiest
Dude,
one,
really quick
I'd
checkpoint
say, is
on that
Jurassic.
right now, right?
I'm about to rage quit soon, just so we can save time on this video. Because they have to be like under 15 minutes long. Okay, I'm rage quitting.
Bye. I'm still going. Because I'm so close.
Puppy?
Sleepy.
Puppy.
What?
Rage quit.
No. I'm at the last checkpoint.
Bad puppy. Bad puppy.
No doggy. I ain't no one doggy. If anyone tries to claim me in the comments below, I'm gonna kill you. Pizza.
Yeah.
Do you believe me?
Okay. Now come and Ice X Run with me. And by the way, please subscribe to us, and we adore our subscribers and viewers and anybody, pretty much.
Oh no.
People! Is she wearing a thong?
I don't know. I can't see! People move!
I know, I hate it when there's a lot of people, because then it just gets...
Then they're just gonna chill and, jump.
Puppy! It's that same person as before, that one that we were on before with that same guy.
Seriously?
Uh-huh.
You
Oh,
sure?
by the way, Bad Cat MC, if you're out there, you are dead to us.
Yes, we will kill you if we wanted to, but we don't know where you are, so that sucks to be us. But I will track you down for taking my friend's katana. I don't know how many people are actually afraid of me on YouTube, because I can actually be really terrifying, and Pizza knows that.
Yes, like last year.
Yeah, let's not go there.
Yes, that was just a dark and stormy 5th grade.
It was.
It was a dark and stormy night.
It was a dark and stormy year of 5th grade.
Oh, by the way, does anybody here like skiing? comment below.
But then if you do, yay!
If you don't, I hate you. If you've never done it, it means you live in a warm place. Move to Minnesota!
Or anywhere with snow, please.
Like Colorado.
Or Minnesota. Or Alaska. Oh, Alaska would be perfect.
Except Alaska has like half the year is dark and half the year is light all the time.
Yeah, that's true.
I wouldn't be able to do that. Like, I just wouldn't get down with that.
I'd be okay with it.
I wouldn't. I wouldn't like to look out the window and think it's still
And just
the
see
middle.
darkness just
Yes.
everywhere.
Or not be able to fall asleep at night because freaking is light out.
Oh, I'd actually be able to do that.
I wouldn't. I can't sleep in a car
And my friend
even.
who lives in Alaska would be able to, too.
I freaking cannot sleep in a car.
I can
really
sleep
can't.
anywhere. Like, if you know me really well, I actually can.
One time my friend Declan on a bus literally fell asleep. Like, he said something, and 2 seconds later, he was literally sleeping on my shoulder. So it's like, oh, we're here, and then like 2 seconds later, and he's literally just on my shoulder. I'm like, okay, this is not gay at all.
Nothing weird about this. Pizza, do you believe in me?
Ice is slippery.
Jump! Jump! No, it was not the last jump! Oh my gosh.
I'm not
I wish
happy
you guys
now.
I wish you subscribers were able to see our faces, and oh my gosh.
Except we don't want to show our faces. Unless you go to her channel, which will never show my face, thank God.
Or if you go to Pizza's channel.
I don't have one.
Actually, you do.
Not anymore.
You deleted it?
Uh-huh.
Why? Jump. Yes!
Because it's dumb and I like this one better.
Yes! I won second place!
And I'm still playing and failing. Okay, now would be a good time to go. So, goodbye, Ragers.